What's up guys, my name's Alex and this is my fancy little legal pad that I write all of my important stuff into. I've got a long list of stuff I need to do today and I'm trying to get that list done. Obviously, it's not going very well. But anyway, welcome to the channel. All jokes aside, I have a lot to get done today. Let's go take a look at our list and see what we have to get done today. I actually, for those of you that don't know, I really use this legal pad for like everything. This is like my YouTube and Instagram life. I've got pages and pages of just ideas and thoughts and motivation and just everything you can think of. So that's definitely the place I go to get shit going. All right, so our list for today includes ordering bulbs from Last Fit. I've got to order some bulbs from Last Fit. I have a sponsorship application that I need to finalize today. I need to desperately clean out the inside of my truck and get the tires out of the back of the truck. I need to clean my office upstairs up a little bit. Kind of need to do that today as well. I forgot about that. And we need to go check out the new meat spot today. I was gonna try and get the trucks washed today as well, which may or may not happen, but you never know. Our videos, they start one way and you never can really tell what's gonna go on once I start filming my videos. So I guess let's, I mean, we can do the sponsorship application and the Last Fit auto lights last tonight. I think cleaning the truck out is definitely the move, because I've been wanting to do that for a while. I was gonna do that yesterday, but we ended up going to the meet, so let's get started. A lot of you guys ask me all the time, you know, why would you ever think about putting 5% windshield tint on your truck? It must really be bad driving around like that. And I'm gonna give you guys the honest truth about why I have 5% windshield tint on my truck, and that is so you can't see how much shit is in the back of my truck. That could not have happened more perfectly. But that right there is why I have 5% windshield tint. So you guys can't see how much shit is inside of my truck. Yeah, just close. Yeah, and we got to get the tires out of the back today. So I'm not gonna bore you guys with all of that. I will pick the camera back up when I at least make some headway on this. That's kind of ridiculous. I've got mirrors in here. I've got lights. I've got a gauge cluster for a round body Silverado in here. I've got every jacket you can think of, blankets and carpet stuff and shirts and probably some other truck stuff. I don't know what this is. That's for her tires. Yeah, that's not good. I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty happy with that. Now we've got dog hair and just all kinds of just little dirt and shit everywhere, but at least there's no more clutter. I mean, I got a couple things in the door here, but there's no more clutter everywhere. And even on the other side here, I'll take you around real quick. I still got stuff in the bed, which I'll deal with later, obviously, but even on this side, I've got a little couple things I need to get out real quick. But other than that, that's stuff for the subs that I just kind of leave back there just in case. Honestly, I'd probably have better airflow if I took that out, because the port for the box is right there. Maybe I'll take that out. It's hot as hell. I got the tires out of the back of the truck for just an hour or so of work. We've definitely made some great progress. Yeah, I need a lily brush. Nifty Nichols, hit me up. I need a lily brush badly. Or Tavis as well. One of y'all. Let's get together and let's clean this truck up. So, I wish I could learn how to blur stuff out. I'd film you all the time and just blur your face out.
Why are you gonna blur my face?
Because you don't like to be in the videos, and that's a way for me to.
Any of me in.
That's a way for me to put you in the video. I blur your whole body out.
Make me a whole blob.
Just blur your. Just so I can hear your voice. So we got the truck cleaned up, and now we went to Home Depot first. Home Depot has a line to get in. Fuck that. So we're not. So I'm getting recorded on Snapchat. I'm gonna talk to both. I'm on Instagram Live and I'm on YouTube right now.
Snapchat.
So
what?
Or is that Snapchat or Instagram?
Snapchat.
So I'm on Snapchat and YouTube right now. Beautiful. Nice tight fit. Homeboy in the Duramax pulling up. I look down to look at my phone, and I look up, and then bam, there's another vehicle. So we started with the Charger over there, and then the Duramax. Oh, by the way, we're at Academy, by the way. Looking good. Y'all see the color change? It's kind of hard to see in the garage, but shit looks.
Tell people what color that is because they're not allowed to buy it.
Shit looks good.
That's why you should use a credit card.
Couple little bubbles in it, but nobody will ever know. Fucking mint. Somebody is like grilling out and playing music somewhere over that way, and it smells really good. And I'm kind of upset that I don't know who they are because I want to go over there. Look who it is. The boy. So let me give you guys a little bit of a, you know, just kind of, let me catch you guys up a little bit. About 3 hours ago, I posted something on my Instagram. I said, hey, pop-up meet tonight. This is the first time I've done any kind of meet or anything at Bojangles. Get my thumbnail picture. Great thumbnail picture. Hold on. Let me get the shades out. Great thumbnail picture right there. Boom. So about 3 hours ago, you ready? About 3 hours ago, I posted and I said, hey, we're all gonna show up to the Bojangles tonight about 8 o'clock. Come hang out, we'll eat some food. So we're showing up, it's about 8 o'clock. There's, you know, maybe what, 10 people up here right now? And I wasn't expecting anything crazy. You know, this isn't a planned meet or anything. It's a quick little pop-up. So I'd say about 9 o'clock, we're gonna roll out. We're gonna go check out another meet that's going on in Atlanta tonight. And we're gonna see if we can get into some shit tonight and get some good content for you guys on the vlog. I got my man Jacob up here. My man, hey, I got something to show you too. How are your flags mounted? Well,
I'll show you that.
We'll get back to that. But as of right now, we're walking through the drive-thru. So, because my truck can't fit through the drive-thru, so we're walking through the drive-thru. I don't know how well this is gonna go, but I don't know if they can sense that.
I mean, they can hear us. Because when I work at fast food, we can hear them.
I'm excited.
Might just have to walk up to the window.
Maybe. No. Yeah, we'll walk to the window. We're gonna send it. I want a sweet tea and I don't want to drive all the way through the drive-thru, so. Here, you wanna be my camera guy?
Can't be.
What? Next window.
Oh, shit.
I guess we're hold on. Well, look at your angle here. Look at your angle.
Look. We were just standing here also.
Look at your angle. Come on now. I'm so sorry. My truck's too big to fit through the. I can't turn. Can I just get a sweet tea?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Y'all vlogging?
I am. Yeah. I got here. I'll follow you. You follow me back?
Yeah, I'll follow you back. Where your truck?
This is over there. My guard's cracked, so try not to.
You said you see a sweet tea?
Yeah, just a large sweet tea with a bunch of ice. Thank you. That's how we do. That's how we do. You don't want anything?
No, I'm straight.
Oh, she's giving me some out of the jug. Yes.
So, for a lip tattoo, should I get MILFs only or bad bitches only? Like, dead serious. Getting it done Wednesday.
Can I put that in the...
I don't care. Go ahead. I mean...
I feel like both are good. You're the best. Thank you so much.
Did you want something?
Oh, no, ma'am. I'm fine.
It's free. I'll give it to you for free.
It doesn't matter.
You want it's Pepsi products?
Sprite or 7-Up. What? Yeah, sure. Right?
All right, so we're heading out to the second meet. I will see you guys when we get there. That thing sounds mean. Hey, girl. No? Hey, cutie. Hey, you got an Instagram? We pulled up to the next spot. Got the lights on. So I thought one of my lights wasn't working, but I guess they are working. So.
They're not. Not when you're driving.
Oh yeah, you.
That's what I told you.
Yeah, look, cause that one's on and that one's not. God dang it! Another fucking light out. Hey, twinsies. You got me a what? Twinsies. You see the trucks are matching over there?
There we go.
Oh, whoa, look at that. Look at that. Oh, man. Oh, no, I'm stroking the ego now.
Oh, wait, I need to stand.
I feel like I should like slow-mo it a little bit to get like that.
Oh my god.
I think you can edit that. Get like down over here. Just get like...
So cringy.
I feel like that stance is like...
There you go.
Okay. How's the
You just gotta
lighting
be
on
like,
the truck?
you just gotta act natural.
Can you get the
Alex, yes.
Do it like you're holding the flag. Jay, chill.
Wave the flag.
Get the truck. What?
Is it even like? Yeah. Your truck's gonna be in the thumbnail, by the way.
Oh, that's my boy. That's fine. How's the lighting? Is lighting good?
Yeah.
It's alright. Yeah.
This is how we try and get the thumbnails after the truck meet is done.
Yeah.
Lamest.
Just
Truck
Photoshop
meet.
some trucks and it'll be alright.
Maybe that's what I should do. Pop up meet fail.
Yeah.
Ready to mount this.
I need like some wind blowing in your hair. We can wait. I was like,
Shake your hair around.
what the fuck?
Ew! Why did I suggest that?
It's not long. It's only long on top.
You should have like.
You need to do it with your long ass hair.
Do you have like blooper clips like in the very last like
Not
part of your
really.
video?
The whole fucking.
Well, you will today now.
The whole video is a blooper clip.
Yeah, you just need to have like the behind the scenes stuff.
You need to make a playlist of behind the scenes.
Yeah.
You definitely have to.
The point is, I hope you guys enjoyed the content today. Yeah. She's giving me this weird look right now. You want
Because
to say
you're.
it? You want to say it?
You say it.
Say it.
No.
Say it.
It.
Say it.
It.
Say, let's
Let's
get
get
this
this
bread.
Let's get this bread.
crouton.
No.
Let's get this bread.
There you go.
That's it. All right. We're
Let's get
good.
this bread.
We're good. I'm going to cut it out. Like,
That's what I'm talking about.